So, with a month to go for the painted bunting workshop, I'm not getting any painted buntings. Don't know how that's going to work out. Hopefully we can get some coming in. I'm trying some different stuff. Tried some new millet. I'm going to change the feeder around. It's biting me. Usually it's not a problem. I mean, every year we have 2 or 3 mating pairs here during this time of year. It's May 24th today. And this year we don't. I think we might have one pair. I'm seeing one male, but he's not coming here where my blind and my photography setup is going to be. He's only coming over to the house. So let's just cross our fingers and see what happens. So it's a week later. I gave up on my other location where I had the feeder set up for the painted buntings. Because Red Belly Ranch is mostly forested, there are no places where you can get good morning light, and only 2 or 3 spots where you can get good afternoon light. I preferred the spot where I had the feeder before because the background was further away, which would give us cleaner backgrounds for our shots when we're out photographing. But if there's no birds coming there, it doesn't matter. You have the best background in the world, you need birds to put in front of it. So I moved the feeder to this location. I've used this spot in the last couple of years. I also liked the other spot because it didn't have trees as close, so I could control more the birds as they were coming in, where they were going to land, where they would perch. We could get our shots. Here we've got birds. I'm sure they're going to start coming in as soon as I move this feeder here. Our challenge will be, we have the bushes a little bit closer, so the background's not going to be quite as clean. And then we have these trees all around that will give the birds places to land before they come in, and they may not land on the perches that I set up for them. But the most important thing is we need birds. So here we are. Hopefully the buntings will start coming in and we'll be all set for the workshop here in a couple of weeks. Well, it worked. For whatever reason, the birds didn't like my old location that I've used in the past. Moved the feeders over here to my new blind location. Birds are coming in now. Should be good to go. Of course, when it comes time to actually photograph, I'll take the feeders down and set up some perches that'll be more attractive. The feeders are just to get them to come to this location, get them used to coming in here. They'll come to the spot even if I take the feeder down, and then I'll have my perches set up for them to land on, and that's what we'll use to do the actual photography. Let me show you.